fellow foodies, it's Faye from facefood.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make Lebanese fattoush, which is not only one of my favorite salads, it's one of my, if not the favorite food of mine. So it's super easy, tasty, and refreshing, and it only requires a few ingredients, and I'll show you how to make it. So first you want to start off by chopping your veggies. I'm starting off with some cucumbers. You want to ideally use Lebanese cucumbers, they're called, but if you can't find those, any cucumbers will do. And then we put green peppers in traditionally. You can also use yellow or red bell pepper. That will work too. Then I'm putting in some radish. The radish just adds like a bit of a spice to the salad. And then I'm adding in tomatoes, and this is just for show because if you followed my blog and channel long enough, you know that I do not like raw tomatoes. Next is parsley. You want to use Italian Flat-Leaf Parsley. Give that a chop, and that's just going to add some nice freshness to the salad. So these are all our veggies and herbs that we're adding in there. Okay, next we'll make the dressing, which is very easy to make. So it just requires some chopped garlic, olive oil, lemon juice, and for the olive oil, I'm using Lebanese olive oil, by the way. Please pray for everyone in Lebanon with everything that's going on there. I'm also adding in some mint. You can use dried mint like I did, or fresh mint if you have it. Some ma, also known as sumac, and salt. So this is how I like to present the salad. So I'm adding in most of the veggies and also most of the fried pita. And then I'll add in the dressing all at once and give this a toss. And at this point, this is where you taste it, see if it needs more lemon, more salt, more oil to your liking. This is where you would tweak it if you need to. All right, and then I add in the rest of the veggies on top as garnish. And then I add in the rest of the pita chips as well. And this is how you would present the fattoush. So like I said, it's very easy to make. You saw how easy it was. It requires very little ingredients. And the samat and also the pomegranate molasses, which is traditionally used in the salad. We didn't grow up using it, but it is traditionally in there. You can find these ingredients, these two ingredients, at any local like Middle Eastern grocery store. You can even order it online if you don't have one nearby. All right, so I'm just gonna plate this up and dig in because I absolutely love fattoush. I always tell everyone if I had to eat something every day, it'd be fattoush and some fries. Call it a day. Give this recipe a try. The full recipe will be on facefood.com. Comment below if you have any comments or questions, and make sure to subscribe to this channel if you have not already. I appreciate all your support, and hope you guys enjoy. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.